So a couple of months ago we put our Ceracell cells on here for you guys to get some circle honeycomb, which everybody's been waiting for and emailing and getting all excited. We're having a bit of a struggle down here in Oz since it's been such an ordinary year, but me and the missus were down here on the weekend giving the ladies some water and a little bit more food, and I noticed in this box here we might even have a full frame, well, almost full enough frames to keep you impatient people ready to get some honeycomb back on the bloody website. So let's just pull her apart and have a look. These girls are doing a good job. Cool, so we'll just get these top supers off. Oh, I don't know whether this was a good idea to have so many places for them to put stuff. If I was to do this again, I'd just put the Ceracell bloody on top of there and let them fill that up and then come back and change it up. So, but anyway, that's not what I did. Live and learn, eh, in this beekeeping gig? Well, hell, I don't know. Hopefully I'm learning something. I'm definitely living. Oh, God. You chicks are being busy. So out of the 5, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these that we actually... 6 of these that we actually have. We only got 1 that actually got full up. Ah, God, it's been a seriously ordinary year. So we'll just take these out of here. Give them a little tap or something, and we might take them over to the ute. Rightio, yeah. We'll just do a little bit of a check so we can rattle off a few of these ladies. Put some of this on your Camembert party plate and see how you get on. Yummy! Just see if I can get these out of here and see what we've got. It's been an arduous year, isn't it? We got 1 cell that's finished. Sorry, girls, but you don't want to come with us because that'll be all right to where the hell you are. There we go, that's looking more like it. I'll just shake the ladies off and we'll have a look at that. Maybe if you're having a party, you could get some Bush Bee Man honeycomb, stick it on a big lump of Camembert, some Crazy Jats biscuits. Hell, I don't know. Maybe we should have a little Bush Bee Man hat you can stick on top of the cheese, you know, like one of those friggin' umbrellas, but we could have a Bush Bee Man thing. Anyway, I digress. I will just get ourselves organised and put this back together, take the girls back over to their house, and take this home so you can get some honeycomb on your toast or your cheese wheel. Yay! Finally we might get some honeycomb back on the bloomin' website so you can get your hands on some. It's a bit like a scene out of Lord of the Rings, isn't it? Instead of meats back on the menu, it's honeycombs back on the website. So keep an eye out. Here we go. Anyway, get a bit of packaging going on. Oh, golly gosh, eh? Gonna be good. Yum, yum, yum. need to do now is get the sticky tape out. Well, going on my track record, maybe I'll get my lovely wife to get the sticky tape out, put a few labels on, get it up on the website. You girls and boys can get your lips around some of this gorgeous honeycomb. Check this out, the dude's made me a little planet to nibble on. So this is what you get at a party. You get some, what have we got, some olives, and we got some sun-dried tomatoes, and we got some camembert, and we got some of our wicked ass blooming honeycomb on the top. So if you want to get your hands on some of this honeycomb, just nick over to the website and click on honeycomb, and of course you can get some of this on your camembert in your backyard at your next party. But you better be quick, because I think we've only got 16, I reckon I counted 16, but hell, I'm pretty crap at counting, so, you know. Anyway, the thing is, it's in short supply, so be quick or miss out.